Imagine extracting all your purchase invoices for GST2B summary automatically. No manual entry, no opening invoices one by one. The system reads the invoices and prepares the table for you. Let me quickly show you a simple workflow we built for chartered accountants to extract purchase invoice data for the GST2B summary. Here I am inside the client's cloud account where all the billing invoices are stored. These are the purchase invoices generated during the month. Next, I'll open Google Drive and navigate to the client's invoices folder. Now I'm uploading all the purchase invoice documents here. Once the upload is completed, you can see that all the invoices are available inside the folder. These invoices will now be used by the AI workflow for processing and GST data extraction. Let me show you the AI workflow that processes these invoices. This workflow reads every invoice document uploaded to the folder. It understands the invoice structure and extracts important GST fields such as supplier GSTIN, invoice number, invoice date, taxable value, and GST amount. The system also checks invoice numbers and GSTIN combinations to make sure duplicate invoices are not added. Before running the workflow, let me show you the spreadsheet. Here you can see that the GST2B data for this client is currently empty. This is where the invoice data will be added automatically. Now I'll start the AI workflow. The system will read all the invoices from the folder and automatically generate the GST ready table. Let's open the processed invoices folder inside Google Drive. Here you can see that the invoices which are already processed by the workflow are moved into this folder. This helps us easily track how many invoices have already been processed. Now the workflow continues processing the remaining invoices. If we check the main invoices folder again, the number of invoices here keeps reducing as the workflow processes them one by one. At the same time, the processed invoices folder keeps getting updated. Now if we check the invoices folder again, you can see that is empty. And inside the processed invoices folder, all the invoices are now available, which means every invoice has been processed successfully. Now let's open the final spreadsheet where the extracted data is stored. The AI workflow automatically extracts important GST fields from every invoice and prepares a structured table. This includes details such as supplier GSTIN, supplier name, recipient, GSTIN, recipient name, invoice number, invoice date, place of supply, HSN, or SAC code, item description, quantity, taxable value. It also calculates the tax components including IGST rate and amount, CGST rate and amount, SGST rate and amount, CESS amount. Finally, the system records the total invoice value, IRN details, acknowledgement information, and even the original file ID and file name for traceability. So instead of manually entering invoice data, the workflow automatically converts invoice documents into structured GST ready data.